say that with me. We're going to go Maria del Castillo. Don't do it yet. Ring that bell. You'll say it with me. She's been accepted to the University of Tampa, Lynn University, and the New College of Florida. Everybody say it with me. Maria del Castillo. Ring that bell. Good job. Congratulations, Maria. Heading off to college. Christian accepted into the University of Florida, University of South Florida, and Clemson University. Christian Achika, here we go. Ring that bell! Oh, it's tough. Congratulations, Christian. Emily Bonilla. Accepted into St. Thomas University, Palm Beach Atlantic University, and Nova Southeastern University. Emily Bonilla, you're going to college. Ring that bell! Jocelyn Amaya Rivera, accepted into Florida International University, Syracuse University, and Providence College. Jocelyn, say it with me. Ring that bell! Dalia Garcia Pagan, head up there. Accepting the Florida Atlantic University, Florida International University, and Florida Gulf Coast University. Dalianette, ring that bell! Felisa Garcia Pagan. Accepted into Syracuse University, the New College of Florida, and St. John's University. Felisa, ring that bell! Good job, Felisa. Congratulations. Any others today, Jet? Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our seniors. They're going to college. Ladies and gentlemen, have a